Maya Paldo po kay Kayungan. This is a very special day for all of us. Welcome, welcome to the grand opening of Mayet de la Rosa Fine Jewelry. And it's really an honor to be with you here today.
Magandang hapon or magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa opening ng aming branch sa Pampanga, Star Mill. And remember lang po, yung gold po ni Miss Mayet de la Rosa, hindi lang po siya basta investment, asset po siya. And thank you very much po and welcome!
Isang magandang tanghali po sa ating lahat at magiging maganda talaga ang inyong OOTD. The perfect OOTD will always be Mayet de la Rosa Fine Jewelry. I'm so happy to be part of this family. Congratulations on your 19th branch! Na-excite tayo sa mga susunod pa na mangyayari. And we're looking forward to more branches, more blessings, and more sales. Congratulations!
And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the official ribbon cutting of Mayet de la Rosa Fine Jewelry. As we cut this ribbon, we celebrate not only a new business, but a new connection with the community. A new place to gather, a new chapter full of opportunity and purpose.
Hello, my netizens! We would like to invite you here at our Robinsons Star Mills branch, Pampanga. We are located at first floor beside the supermarket. See you!